I know this is not how you want me to end it, but here I am doing the same thing you did before at the same tree. Look at me. I'm tired. I am tired that you eat for a morning. It's just a worm you. Do me, I beg you. God damn me. Sometimes I think I'm just a coward. God will take care of me. I miss if you wash your dirty clothes, then God will take care of you. When you don't go wash your plate, them. Look how much clothes them give me for wash. I eat from morning, me tired of this. Why? Let me go wash them, man. Excuse me. Honey, we should have make him drop. Smell that, Jess? Smell that? Excuse me. Sorry. Jesus. Get back to the Jessica! Mommy? You know I want something down, Master John. Mommy, actually. You want to go, son? Outside. Look a girl. No, but I see. Hello, don't tell me nothing. Alright. Go down to Master John, go tell Master John if he give you the bag. You're out of order. Alright. Come on. Lord is here now. Me wash, me clean, and then just sit down and watch TV. Tired.
Hi, morning. How are you?
Alright.
No, it doesn't look like you're okay. What's wrong? Why do you have such a sad look on your face?
Because of my sisters and my stepmother treated me.
What?
Oh
my God, I'm so sorry to hear that. No, I can't stand by and watch that happen.
It's okay. God will take care of me.
Yeah, I know that God will take care of you, but sometimes you need a man to take care of you as well. Try and get you out of all this mess that you're currently in, all this bad treatment, ill treatment that you're currently in.
Really?
Yes, definitely. With such a beautiful face, you deserve a man that will treat you as beautiful as your face is. Anyways, my name is Glenn. What's your name?
I'm somewhere.
Why was your next name? Your name is almost beautiful. I would really love to get to know you though, some way. Is there any way I can call you? Probably get the opportunity to take you.
Unfortunately, I don't have any phone.
Definitely have to work on something. By the way, seeing that you don't have a phone, where do you live? I can definitely come pick you one of these days.
So after you drive home, because there's a you, John, you can ask me
Alright, I'll definitely do that. I'm really sorry that you're in the state that you're in. I really wish I could help you right now.
Okay. What should I say? I'm gonna follow him. Watch out, don't miss a scene. Come here, but tell mommy.
Yo, do it. What going? Yo, me there, no brother. Yo, me want to tell you, say, yo, me just meet a girl a while ago, brother. It was like an angel on earth. That's how beautiful she was. Yeah, serious thing, brother. But the thing is, she don't have no phone, so I can't get to call her. I never get her number. But she show me which part she lives, so you know, I think I can just probably pop up one day, see if I could meet her parents or whoever it is that she live with and see if I could get to take her out and get to know her. Yeah man, serious thing. I feel like I want to start something with a girl for you. Alright brother, now say a word. Respect. Little more.
Mom, we just see somewhere that you need to talk to me. What? Kiss up. You want to see that she man.
What's you not saying to me? Samaya!
Come in. See what's there, Mom.
Where's that? You say they don't have Master John? I'm here say I talk to man? Me?
You see you down there.
I have it. Me, Master John? And you talk to man? I bet you want to carry your family. I bet you want to carry your you pooper dead. I bet you want to carry your family. You need it. I bet you want to carry your family. Go wash them. Let me tell you something, little girl. Listen to me. My people them not tell no lie. Listen to me. You go feed the rabbit. You go wash out the hog pen. You go wash out the pig them. And you go feed. Shut your mouth. And you go feed them. Come out of my face. Matter of fact, you're not even gonna get one thing for it.
You know, I'm tired of this. Enough is enough. Let me tired. I'm tired of Uno now. I'm tired of Uno. I'm tired. Somebody come rescue me. I'm tired. Oh gosh.
Hi miss.
Hi, lovely gentleman. How are you?
I'm doing okay. Now how are you doing?
I'm not bad, you know.
Anyways, my name is Glenn. I believe I met one of your daughters the other day.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I was driving past and I saw her.
Okay.
And instantly, you know, I felt something for her.
Oh my.
I had to stop and talk to her for a little bit. But she told me that she lived up this.
Yeah, man, I have beautiful daughters live here.
Yes, right.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I am really interested in getting to know her. To be honest with you.
Oh my, you can come on in. You can come on in, man. You can come on in. Sanique! Come here, darling! Oh my lord. This is such a great news. Here is my beautiful daughter. She's such a sweetheart.
Okay.
Gentleman is interested
Nice
in you.
to meet you. But unfortunately, she's not the person I met. You know. Do you have another daughter that lives here?
Oh, so I have a younger daughter. Oh, Lord.
Jessie!
Yes, ma'am.
Come here, baby! Samaya! Samaya!
Mom.
Could you get this gentleman a glass of water, please?
Come Mom.
Here's my lovely daughter. She's my second daughter.
Unfortunately, she's way too young, so yeah.
Oh my God.
But there was a next young lady, man. When I saw her, I'm telling you, like it's like the 4th of July. You know, there was like some spark that instantly sparked 4th of July kind of thing.
Look how long me ask you for the cup of water for the gentleman. Look how long. Everything you do slouchy. Go back inside.
Thank you.
Go back inside. What is wrong, sir? I'm so sorry about that.
No, that's fine. That's the girl I'm talking about. She's the one I'm talking about.
No, she's my stepdaughter. She's so wicked. You don't want to marry that girl. She have a lot of money. My daughter is the best. You see me, big daughter? She can cook, wash, clean, good wife material. You know what, Samaya? You're supposed to go and hear about her things about some. No, sir, I would never do that to you.
It's so devastating.
I would never do that to you, sir.
Are you sure you're talking about
I am so sure, sir. Don't take the head put on the block. I am so sure.
God, this is devastating news, man.
My big daughter would make a good wife material, sir.
Yeah, but my spirit is not feeling your big daughter, though. My spirit is feeling your stepdaughter. Like, the moment I saw her.
I am money, sir. You don't want to go down the road there.
Are you sure? Like,
I am so sure.
Okay, alright. Okay, but I bought something for her, and I would really like to give it to her, though, you know, if it's okay with you, though, you know.
Samaya!
Come in, Mom.
Right. The moment I saw you, you know, I just, you know, thought that I should get you something nice. So I hope that this gift will you know, make your day.
Alright, sir.
Okay, but nice to meet you, man.
Thank you, sir.
You know?
Thank you, sir. Hope you come again, sir.
Yeah.
Because you will really love my big daughter.
Okay.
She want come married before my daughter. She go to her. Like I see a wine of this. Woo!
Mommy, I mind this.
Yes! No! Excuse! You're out of order.
Let me see it now.
Lord, iPhone 11.
Come, sister.
Put me on Instagram. Put me on Instagram, my daughter. Excuse.
Come.
Picture. Jesus.
I couldn't keep that quality.
Get inside. Go find something though.
What kind of friend am I show there?
Jesus. Woo.
Where you going? Where you have that suitcase? Yeah.
I'm tired of this place. I am tired.
What happened? Why are you running away?
I'm getting too much ill treatment.
Yeah, I can see
I'm
that.
tired of it. I've been working without food. Somebody can't live so. You're on a man.
I agree, because I've actually seen how your stepmom treats you. You know, it's not good any at all. You know?
And it's not me alone live here. She have other kids there. They can't even do anything. I'm
can understand.
sometimes we chef me this day.
No, don't talk like that. I don't agree with that. You know what? I did tell you that one day I would try to get you out of this situation, and I think today is a perfect day. I'm gonna help you to get out of this situation.
Okay, Jesus.
I have a 3-bedroom house. I live by myself. I have no children. I can get a helper.
I can wash, I can cook, I can clean.
You don't need to do that. It's fine. It's alright. It's alright. I'll ensure that from now on you're well taken care of. You can just grab my suitcase and come. Alright? You know what? You don't even have to carry it. You keep going enough. I'll take it for you.
Yes.
I'm hungry.
You don't go find something cook or tell Sanique to cook.
We don't know if you cook.
What do you mean you don't know if you cook?
Because we never teach we.
You know what, Liz? All the time when Samaya there a cook, you sit down like a beauty queen. See Samaya run with and go in business.
Are you cousin?
You know lucky. Hello, little girl. Go and go wash up the plate then. Go and wash up the plate then.
I don't know if you wash.
What do you mean you don't know if you wash plate? Go, get up, go wash up the plate then.